Fort Eliza is here located outside the town of Banagher in County Offaly. It was constructed around 1812 in response to the threat of a Napoleonic invasion. So it forms part of a wider range of fortifications along the River Shannon at this point. There's Fort Eliza and the Mealick Martello Tower by Victoria Lock. But then there's Fort Falkland, Keelogue Battery. So it really is a very interesting site, and there's a really large concentration of these Napoleonic fortifications in this area. And to be able to do this type of restoration work was really important to preserve it for future generations. An important aspect of the work that's taking place at the moment is that, one, we are protecting our cultural heritage, which is a key aim of the UN Sustainable Development Goals. However, another key aspect is climate change. In Ireland, being temperate, we're going to get increased rainfall events. So whilst we're doing the restoration works here, we're also taking some adaptive measures to ensure the site is protected. We're working with the local community to develop some interpretive material, so that when people come to the site, they will get a fuller appreciation and understanding of not only the importance, but how the site would have operated on a day-to-day basis back in the early 19th century.